My friends, welcome to our English Simple class. I am very happy to see you today. We will read a simple English story together. Relax, listen carefully, and enjoy every sentence. Let's begin our story. There was a little boy named Leo. He lived in a quiet village with his parents. Every morning he woke up with a smile. He loved learning something new every day. His favorite subject was English. Leo wanted to speak English well. He knew it would take time and practice. So he decided to learn a little every day. He never rushed and never gave up. That made him happy. One sunny morning, Leo walked to a small park. He saw an old man sitting on a bench. The man looked tired but kind. Leo smiled and said, "Good morning." The old man smiled back. "Good morning," the man replied. "What is your name?" he asked. "My name is Leo," the boy answered proudly. "I am learning English every day." The man looked impressed. "You are doing a great job," the man said. "Learning one step at a time is the best way." Leo listened carefully to every word. He thanked the man with a big smile. Then he continued his walk. A small brown dog followed Leo. The dog looked friendly and playful. Leo gently patted its head. The dog wagged its tail happily. Soon they became friends. Leo named the dog Max. Every afternoon Max waited outside Leo's house. They played together after school. Sometimes they ran around the garden. Sometimes they just sat quietly. Leo always carried a small English book. Whenever he had free time, he read a few pages. He learned new words every week. He wrote them in a notebook. Practice became a daily habit. One day Leo found the word, brave. He asked his teacher what it meant. She explained it with a simple story. Leo understood it immediately. He never forgot that word. His teacher always encouraged the class. She said, "Mistakes help us learn." Nobody laughed at wrong answers. Everyone tried again with confidence. The classroom felt warm and friendly. Leo started speaking more English at home. His parents listened with great interest. Sometimes they answered in English too. They learned together every evening. It became a fun family activity. One weekend Leo visited his grandmother. She loved hearing his English stories. He read slowly and clearly. She smiled through the whole story. She was very proud of him. A few months passed. Leo became more confident every day. He could understand simple conversations. He could answer easy questions. His hard work was paying off. One afternoon Leo met a new student. The boy looked nervous on his first day. Leo welcomed him with a smile. They introduced themselves in English. Soon they became good friends. The new student wanted to improve quickly. Leo shared his daily study routine. He suggested reading short stories every day. He also suggested listening carefully. The boy thanked him. The two friends practiced together after school. They read one page every afternoon. They helped each other with new words. Learning became easier together. Their friendship grew stronger. Rain fell one evening. They stayed inside the house. They played simple English word games. They laughed at funny mistakes. Time passed very quickly. Leo learned that patience is important. Big success begins with small steps. One page each day was enough. One new word each day was enough. Slow progress was still progress. Soon Leo could tell short stories without fear. His pronunciation became much better. He spoke more clearly than before. His teacher noticed the improvement. She praised his effort. The school held an English day. Many students joined the event. Leo stood on the stage confidently. He told a simple story. Everyone clapped for him. Leo felt proud but stayed humble. He knew he still had more to learn. So he continued reading every day. He continued listening carefully. He continued believing in himself. Months turned into a year. Leo could now speak with visitors. He understood many easy books. English became part of his daily life. His dream was coming true. Remember Leo's story whenever you study. Do not worry about making mistakes. Keep reading and keep practicing. Believe in yourself every day. You will improve little by little. Thank you for reading with me today. I hope you enjoyed this simple English story. Keep learning and never stop practicing. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more English stories. See you in the next video.